Hello, Jailer Shark here with your Phuket Weekly Weather update for I think it's the second week of October. And I think it's going to be good. I have a feeling, in fact I know it's going to be good because I checked before I did this intro bit too, so I knew what to say. Because it is going to be good and I wanted to kind of tease you a little bit. So it's going to be great, but make sure you watch to the end of the video to find out if aliens exist or not. Which they might do. Anyway, look behind me, you can see a little touch of blue sky. It's going to be nice today. And we're going to head out on Sean's birthday bash beach clean. So I've got to get this video done quick so we can head out. But before I do that, you need to look at my planting box. Big news on the old cucumber front and the sunflower front. Let's go check it out. I know you're excited, because I am. Well, I kind of am. Right, let's go look. Right, Farmer Shark here. Look at my sunflower, looking pretty. However, we got some good news and some bad news about the cucumbers. As you can see, they've got a little bit of issues with the leaves here. There's some snails that have been eating them as well, and that's not looking good. But the good news is, if we come in here, look, we've got one. That's right, we've got one cucumber. That's right, we're gonna go pickle it later because we got one cucumber. Very exciting. But before we pickle that, let's go do the weather! Woo-hoo! Damn you, snails!
We explore the various cultures around the world that have legends and stories of serpent-like aliens who created humans and the religious systems used to control them. We will also look at symbols and artifacts from ancient civilizations that point to an alien origin. We will also present evidence that these ancient aliens are still among us today. We will look at the various stories.
He's looking for aliens, look.
UFO
Look!
Found them!
Told you, aliens exist. I knew it.
also present evidence that these
Yeah, evidence for aliens. Look, alien ship coming.
and other means to secretly
Yeah,
control humanity.
I knew there was aliens.
This is an exciting journey into the unknown.
Anyway, there you go, aliens! They exist, and so does my one cucumber.
It's not gonna fend off the world famine, is it really, my one cucumber?
That's what she said.
Damn those snails. I've always hated snails. Anyway, here we go. We're doing the weekly weather. That's right, today is October the 12th and we're about to head out on Sean's birthday beach clean. But I thought I'd do the weather first and then we'll go down. And the reason I want to do the weather first is I can see what it's like because we're heading down here, which is down into Ratcha. So this is our windy app and as you can see from it, purple is good. If it's blue, that's pretty good too. Greeny, not too bad. Dark green, getting worse. If it goes yellow and orange, then it's... I haven't put new batteries in from last week. Anyway, yellow and orange means it's really windy. But this is, all right now, Sunday morning, Sunday the 12th of October. Oh, it's Halloween soon. I like Halloween. Ooh, that was my little Halloween thingamajiggy for you. Anyway, here we go. This is Sunday morning. Phuket is here. Phang Bay is here. Phi Phi's here. And Ratcha, where I'm going this morning with 100 other people. It's going to be fun. You'll see the footage throughout the weekend next week, I'm sure. So, it looks like it's going to be a good morning. It's not too windy. Wind's coming from the west. So it won't be bumpy at all. It'll be very, very nice. Let's look at Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon looks great. So today is going to be a fantastic day to go and clean the beaches. That's right. That's what we're going to do. Sunday evening, yep, still looking good. So let's get to Monday the 13th. Monday the 13th. Ooh. Looks brilliant, actually, Monday. Look. Monday morning looks fantastic. And it's half term here in Thailand for our international school people, like my kids. So it means I get to go out on boats a lot more because then the kids can stay and look after the dogs. Because my new dog, Trouble, where are you, Trouble? Trouble! 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 Hello? Hello, Trouble? I don't know where you are. Oh, you're behind me. Ha ha ha! He's behind me the whole time. I didn't look. Come here. Come here. Come and say hello to the people, please. Come on. Yes. So this is Trouble. Hello, Trouble. So Trouble hasn't had his injections yet. He's getting them on the 15th on Wednesday. Aren't you, Trouble? You can get up there. Look. Sniff, sniff. What do you think? Say hello to the people. Say hello, Trouble. That's right. Mischief's not here because Mischief's out on a walk, but Trouble can't go out yet because he hasn't had his injections yet. But you will do soon, won't you? You want to get down? Yes? Oh, lick the bogies, lick the bogies, get the bogies, get the bogies, get bogies. Right, you get down and we'll continue talking. Right, anyway, so look, Monday the 13th looks lovely. Monday afternoon looks really good, so I might go out Monday. Let's look at Tuesday the 14th. Tuesday the 14th looks fantastic as well. Nothing to worry about. Tuesday afternoon, a tiny little bit of green, but nothing to worry about there. Let's look at Wednesday the 15th, big day for Trouble. Trouble's getting his injections. So Wednesday the 15th looks really nice. Purple all round here. This is down onto the crabby side. PP looks good. Pangar Bay looks really good. Wednesday afternoon looks great. Wow, next week looks great, and it's half turn. It's brilliant. Get to go out loads. Thursday the 16th looks really nice. Look at this, light blue, which means it's going to be lovely. Light blue in Pangar Bay, light blue in PP, and all down into Racha. Even the Similan Islands, which are up here, are looking good, but you don't want to go to the Similan Islands just yet. There'll still be some swell if you go out there. My top tip is don't go to the Similan Islands till around about December, January time, then it's good to go. Friday the 17th, wowzers, purple all coming in here. Beautiful in Pangar Bay, beautiful down in PP. Looks good to me, Friday afternoon. Mate, next week looks fantastic. I'm very excited. I'm not so excited about my one cucumber, but I am excited about next week. Friday afternoon looks great. Saturday the 18th, that looks fantastic as well. Nothing to worry about. My word, next week looks amazing. Saturday afternoon next week on the 18th, looks good. And then next Sunday the 19th, looks amazing as well. Wowzers! So next week looks like it's going to be a fantastic week to go out. And if you haven't booked, then you should. If you are living in Phuket and you are a resident here, then you should go out on boats right now. We've got a couple spare if you want to go out. Definitely go out next week. It looks fantastic. Let's just check out the acute weather. So this is just your bog standard. I know it's white on white on white. Talking of white on white, here, look, our thermos flasks. They keep hot things hot and cold things cold. How do they do it? I don't know. We have them in white with a blue logo, or if you prefer a big black one, we've got a big black one with a white logo. So there you go. We've got a white one with a coloured logo and a black one with a white logo. Either way, just go to our website and you can grab hold of one of those, or come and visit us at our office because they're all lined up there. So anyway, let's look at this. So 31, 32, 33 there, 32, 33 degrees, all looks about the same. A little chance of rain, about 50-50 it's saying. Well, it's 50-50. That could be done on a coin toss, couldn't it? Yeah. So it looks like it's going to be a great week. Let's just go to our TMD weather radar Phuket. I don't know why we bother because this is live. This is right now. There's a few patches of rain kicking around, but they're just little tiny squalls that will probably get blown away, so it doesn't really matter. And to be fair, you shouldn't even worry about that because that's live this morning as I'm recording this, which means it's pointless, absolutely pointless. By the time this gets edited and sent out, this is gone because it's a live radar. Yeah? Good. Right, well there you go. That is your Phuket Weekly Weather Update for, is it the 3rd or 2nd week of October? Must be the 2nd week, mustn't it? The 2nd week of October. We're getting close to Halloween. I'm going to head out right now on a beach clean. I'll take some video. Look, I'm charging up my cameras. Got that camera, I got that camera. I got my new little DJI Osmond or Aussie something or other camera. I got my drone stuff. Look, drone charging up. We're all ready to go. It's going to be fun. I'm not supposed to use a drone, actually. I'm supposed to give 10 days warning if I'm going to fly my drone. So I'm not sure I can do that. Anyway, doesn't really matter. I'm going to go now on a beach clean and you're going to see it next week. Well, throughout the week, because just check out our shorts and our social media. All right, good. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about the weather, then ask away and I'm sure that one of us will answer eventually. But we don't know what the weather's going to do on December the 2nd at 4 p.m, okay? We really don't. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace and love. Woo woo!